guys, today we're gonna open a slime bucket. So I don't know what I did. I turned it to a swamp, but it's real pretty, I promise. So, gosh, see, it's a swamp slime, and let's take out the charms. Whoa, it's a nice charm. Whoa, what's the surprise? A sharpener, still sharpeners. I always wanted this. And the slime, that's crazy. That's amazing though. Whoa. Oops. And then a nice charm. So let's go see. Ooh, lots of beads. Oh, let's do beads. So I'm gonna take it out now. Come on, get up. Yeah. I love my slime. It's so pretty. I'm gonna mix some pokes. It's not really that satisfying. Are you on the radio? It's kind of hard because you can't hear it. See?
You can hear it.
Okay, and then I'm gonna make a bubble. And I hope I do because I never do nice bubbles.
I will pause you.
Okay, make it nice. I didn't really make a bubble, but it's really satisfying. Oops. You can't really hear it because in real life it's so satisfying. I don't have a microscope. A microphone actually that others have, so it's kind of unfair. But I'm really cheerful. I'm happy. I'm not jealous. So, whoop.
Whoop-de-doo.
Those things are really nice. I'm going to take all the big ones and I leave the small ones in. And I'm going to do one nice one over here. Okay, you can see there's like a bum.
Do it.
It's so satisfying. We did already a slime video on Risa Go channel, but this is a new one. And since it's Christmas, it's Jesus' birthday, I'm gonna put a happy birthday sign. So I'm putting the slime. And oh yeah, I hope it doesn't stick because last time I made it stick. Whoa, so amazing. It's kind of hard, so I'm gonna take it out. It really sticks. I love how sticky
I would expect you like.
Okay, we're back from the pausing thing, and I love how it's going. So let's go check my other slimes. This is one of my slimes. And
That's my slime.
it's actually Lisa's, but it's really pretty, and we did it on
Oh,
her channel
I'll do it.
before. And after that, we're gonna do something. I'm gonna write something in my diary, and no one will look at my diary. So I'm gonna go and start writing stuff in my diary. It's secrets.